bucket time!
Yay! Look! It's the 13th of December. The 13th of December. The number... Yes! 13! The 13th of December. I wonder what's in my bucket today. Come on, let's go and find out. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time, what's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time, what's inside? Come on! Let's all take a look. Fantastic! My bucket has the number 13 on it. The number 13. But I wonder what's inside. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Today's object begins with the letter S. The letter S. And that makes the S sound. S. Can you make that sound? Yes, that's right. Use your arm and we go. S. S. Fantastic. It's white and it's very cold. And you can make lots of different things out of it if you put it together, like snowballs and snowmen and snow dogs. Yes, that's right. It's snow. Snow. That's given me an idea. I wanted to make a snowman today, but it's not snowing. So I thought maybe we could use some dough and roll it and sculpt it and make it into a snowman. Shall we go and see if we can do it? Wow. Okay, let's go. These are some things that I have found that I thought might be a good idea to make our snowman out of. I've got some white sculpting dough, a tiny little bit of black sculpting dough, and I've got 2 googly eyes, 1, 2, a little piece of orange card shaped as a triangle, and I have found 2 little twigs. Also, I've got 2 pipe cleaners. One is purple and the other one is yellow. First of all, I'm going to roll my Play-Doh round and round, and I'm going to divide it into 2. So that means break it in half. So I've got one bit, which is going to be the head. Roll it round and round and round. And then I've got the other bit that I'm going to roll round and round and round to make the body. Okay, so I'm going to put the body there and the head right there. What do you think? Yes, you're right. He needs some eyes. For this, we're going to use the googly eyes. I'm going to put one there and one there. Oh yes, fantastic. And then for his nose, his little carrot nose. I'm going to put that in there. Oh, that looks quite good. Now for his mouth. I'm going to use the little bit of black Play-Doh. For this, I'm going to make it into a little tiny sausage. Break that. I don't think we need that bit. Around like that. Round and round and round. Into a little black sausage. And I'm going to put that for his mouth. A happy, smiley mouth. Yes! He needs some arms, so I'm going to use the little twigs. Pop one in there and one in there. Now I thought this would be a good idea to make a scarf. So I'm going to wrap it round and 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 round. Whew. To make a stripy scarf. Purple and yellow. And then I'm going to put that around his neck. Just like that. What do you think? It's really good fun. I'm really happy with my snowman. Look, the number 13. 13. 1 and 3 standing together make 13. Oh look, it's a nutcracker and his friends. How many nutcrackers are there all together? Pop your counting brains on and let's get counting. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 nutcrackers. Wow! Today's number is the number 13. Hooray! Fantastic counting, guys. To build a snowman, you need to roll and pat the snow together. And then, look, you put one on top of the other to make a body and a head. Look, now we need to put the finishing touches. The eyes, the carrot nose and the stick arms. Fantastic snowman, guys! Wow, they did it! Fantastic! It's time to put the snow back in my bucket. I hope it snows for real. That would be super fun. But in it goes, all put away and ready for another day. But I wonder what's in my bucket tomorrow. I'll see you then with me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. Bye guys, have a really good day. Bye. Remember, you're fantastic.